Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
What up, y'all? So, y'all see that's all empty and all that because y'all know I crashed it. I broke the landing gear and everything. But I got some new landing gear and move the Servo. So y'all see I broke that one all up. But when I ordered this, I didn't realize that that's actually a different piece. So that works for the main gear here, but not the front. What I noticed, since this was broken, I could take this apart and it looks like I can get this little bit right here and put it right in here. So we're gonna try that because the alternative is to buy this full assembly for like another 40 bucks. And why, when I already have that? And I'm pretty sure these are the same servo, other than whatever this piece is called. So we're gonna throw this on my noggin and try this real quick. Alright, y'all don't mind what y'all see on my workbench. Mind your business. Alright, all the gears still there. Motor still there. So we're gonna take this, observe how it's in there. Carefully open up that part there. We want to remove this fella right here without damaging anything. All right, so it's out of there. Probably easier to take this completely off, but I'm not going to. That's the way it needs to be. Go over it like so. And as long as I have everything lined up properly, this should function. So we're gonna put them screws in real quick. We're gonna find out. Y'all, I'm actually pretty happy with my homemade stand here. Yeah, this is gonna work. And if not, like I said, I'm gonna just buy the full assembly. I'm still waiting for props to get here anyway. They're coming from China. So it's gonna take a minute. Alright, everything's wired up. I've got all the screws and all that bolted into the gear. So we're gonna flip it here. Let's see if I got everything right. This is the thing in question here mostly. Oh, it got stuck there, but that's because it needs some adjustments in there, but it actually works. Hold on. Where did I put all my tools? That's what happens when you just throw shit down. Don't do that. So for one, there's that. There we go. We got landing gear again. Look at that. Fixed it. I just hope that this is the only thing that scares me is if it gives out. Because the last one, that's what was going on. I think we'll be alright, but it's the only thing that worries me. I think we'll be good, actually. Yeah. Yep, we're gonna be good.